Good evening, sir. My name is Alberto Jumang-it Jr. Section S2A. Radar X band and Radar S band. Due to operating at a smaller wavelength, X band radar are more sensitive and can detect smaller particles compared to other radar band. X band radar are typically used for student about clouds development and lights precipitation due to their abilities to detect tiny water particles in snow. S-band radar are used to produce accurate and reliable observation under severe weather conditions. S-band radar utilize microwave bands in the electromagnetic spectrum which range from 2 GHz to 4 GHz. S-band frequency radar produce estimates at high spatial and temporal resolution. EBL control. EBL control is an acronym for electronic bearing lines. It is used to determine the bearing from your present location to a specific target. Use the EBL function to basic the target and see its bearing in the LBL readout display. Brilliant control. The brilliant control determines the brightness of the picture exactly the same as you would adjust your television and should be adjusted to give you a clear image. AC rain control and ACC control. Rain or sea clutter is set to low, target will be hidden in the clutter. Whereas if set to high can cause target to disappear from the radar screen. The radar can also detect rain, snow, or hail clutter in the same manners as normal targets. The AC rain and ACC control is used to adjust the rain in the NC clutter. Respectively, the scroll wheel is rolled clockwise or attack clockwise to increase or decrease the clutter. Gain control. Automatic gain control AGC is a closed-loop feedback regulating circuit in an amplifier or chain of amplifiers and purpose of which is to maintain a suitable signal amplitude at its output despite variation of the signal amplitude at the input. Key-range control. The layered editor tab in the channel stream inspector shows the key range for each channel strip in a patch and it's the concert or set containing the patch. If either includes a channel strip with a key range, you can define the key range for a channel strip using the learn buttons or the low key and high key values ladders. BRM control. BRM stand for variable range marker. This function provides an accurate measurement of range to target. Press the VRM button to enable the VRM function. Adjust the VRM ring so it rests on the inside edge of the target. Tune control. The function of tune control is to provide frequency selective amplification. The tune control permits manual adjustment of the frequency response of an amplifier. Any fixed low frequency or high frequency compensating network can be changed to a tone control circuit by substituting a manual variable circuit elements of for one of the fixed circuit elements. The two types of control that are most frequently used are the bus and treble cut control. Presentation mode. Close-up control. It is a leading institution in the areas of science and mathematics, social science, and the humanities in northern Philippines. Head-up control. Head-up display show information exactly where you need it directly in the line of sight. Drivers can get all the important information such as speed, warning signal, and indicator arrows from navigation without looking down to the instrument cluster or the secondary display. North up control. In a north up display, when your vessel turns, the land target remain stationary and the heading line shift to your new course and moving vessel target continue on their path relative to the fixed land. See all head up, course up, through motion display and stabilize radar. Through motion. A display in which own ship position can appear at any point on the screen. All moving targets appear on the screen with true speed and direction, and all fixed objects as stationary etches. Relative motion. The object is said to be in absolute motion when viewed from a fixed point of observation. There is no change in the position of the observation when there is no fixed point of view. The motion of an item is called relative motion. The position of the observer changes with respect to time. Sana, that's all. Thank you, sir.